Welcome to our channel. Today we'll show you how to link an Ecobee thermostat to Google Home step by step in a clear and professional way. Step 1. Check compatibility and setup. Make sure your Ecobee thermostat is already installed and working properly using the Ecobee app. Your thermostat must be connected to Wi-Fi, and you'll need an active Google account and the Google Home app installed on your smartphone. Step 2. Update apps and firmware. Confirm that the Ecobee app and Google Home app are updated to their latest versions. This helps prevent connection issues during the linking process. Step 3. Open the Google Home app. Launch the Google Home app and sign in with the Google account you want to use to control your Ecobee thermostat. Step 4. Add a new device. Tap the plus icon in the top left corner, select Setup Device, then choose Works with Google. Step 5. Link the Ecobee service. From the list of available services, search for Ecobee and select it. You'll be prompted to sign in to your Ecobee account and approve the connection. Step 6. Assign your thermostat to a room in Google Home for easier voice control. Step 7. Test Google Assistant commands. Try voice commands like, "Hey Google, set the thermostat to 72 degrees," or "Hey Google, turn up the heat," to make sure everything is working correctly. Your Ecobee thermostat is now connected to Google Home and ready for hands-free temperature control. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more smart home tutorials and step-by-step guides.